Today I start EXP22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Theater. This is the title of the assignment of the day, and this is little project description. Already I have understand and study this description. Now, without wasting your time, I start the steps to perform the assignment. First step of assignment is just we have to download and open the assignment in the Excel form. Already I have downloaded and opened it. This is the assignment that we have to solve. This is the EXP22 chapter 9. This is the first step of this assignment. Second step of this assignment, I firstly bold it and increase its size, make it yellow, and I study and explain very easily for you. Dear student, in the instruction number 2, we have to do group template, Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Fill the formatting for range A5 to A22. Dear student, here instruction says that we have to do the grouping of the template sheet, Friday sheet, Saturday sheet and Sunday worksheet. These are the sheets. This is the template sheet, this is the Friday sheet, this is the Saturday sheet, this is the Sunday sheet. These 4 sheets we have to grouped and grouped in the manner, fill the formatting for the range, and we have to apply the formatting on these 4 sheets. For doing this, firstly we have to select range A5 to A20. Here I write A5 to A20, just click, and this is the range. This is the range that we have to do formatting. For doing the formatting, we have to move in the fill option on the home tab, click here, and already this task done. Fill across the all of these 4 sheets, because this is the, dear student, is a solution file, and I have did this assignment many times. Before starting I did not do it undo, so understand it. Each step is this: you have to firstly select this range A5 to A20, then go to the fill option and across worksheet and click on the formatting. So when you click on the OK, we will done all 4 sheets will be grouped and formatting. Its next step, step number 3, bold it, make it 12 in the size, make it yellow, and I study this step. This step says that with the worksheet still grouped, mean I group this sheet in cell E20, enter a formula to subtract the grand total percentage sold from 1, apply bold to cell. In this section we have to do just equal sign and then 1 minus grand total percentage sold. We have to apply, mean we have to subtract gold grand total percent sold from 1, and in where we have to apply it, in E20. This is the sheet where we are doing work, and for showing where is the E20, right here, just E20, click here, this is the E20, and firstly we have to place equal sign, 1 minus and percentage sold, this is the percentage, click here and just OK. This is the instruction number 3. Instruction number 3 says that we have to do percentage sold subtracted from 1. So we have done it. Now I move to toward the point number 4, bold it, increase size and make it yellow. In this instruction, I read it with the worksheet still grouped, mean worksheet that we have grouped, sheet on which I am doing work. Edit cell J5, I have to edit J5 by enclosing the average if function with an if error function. The value if error argument should display text missing data. Copy the function to range J6 to J7, fill without formatting to preserve borders. Respected students, in this instruction, I have to do first step. I have to change average if function with an if error. First step, and next step, argument where error present, then argument should be displayed by missing data. Then there should be displayed missing data. And next, we have to copy the function from J6 to J7. Okay. Firstly, I go to J5. Where is J5? I write here and see where is located J5. This is the J5. And dear students, see here, this is the average if and formula already write it here. So I have to change this formula, and addition should be if error. If error should be added into this formula, and missing data. Another step that should be added, missing data. Missing data and if error should be added. So I do this. I click here and write just if and error. This is if error, double click. So we added if error, and after this I put here comma and inverted commas and write it here missing data. Missing data. Inverted commas close and bracket close. This is the instruction that we see in the Word file. We have to add if error. Here I added, and then missing data should be added on the displayed on the error side. So this is the formula. Just we have click here. Okay. After that, instruction says that this should be copied from range J6 to J7. So I copy J6 to J7. So see here, this is the missing data present here. This is the instruction number 4. Now I move toward the instruction number 5. And instruction number 5 is the very easy and little step. Hide the template worksheet. Hide the template worksheet. Okay, open the Excel sheet, template sheet, click the right and hide the sheet. Click on the hide. Sheet is hidden. Step number 5 is completed. Now I move toward the point number 6, bold it, increase size. This step I only do for student, for you only, because you can easily see the screen and easily understand and see the word. If word should be low in the size and not highlighted, then maybe you have difficult to study it. Okay, now I move toward the point number 6. On the total worksheets, where is total worksheet? This is a total worksheet. This is a total worksheet. On the total worksheet, in cell A5, insert a hyperlink. Insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in the Friday worksheet with the screen tip text Friday seats sold. Respected student, in the sheet that I have opened little now, instruction we have to apply it. In cell A5, I have to insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in Friday worksheet with screen tip text Friday seat source. Okay, where is the A5? This is the A5. This is the A5. For using the hyperlink function, I move in the insert option, and this is the hyperlink option, and place in this documents, click here. In here we have to place reference given here C20. So right here C20, and sheet should be Friday. I click on the Friday and screen tip. Okay, I copy the screen tip, and screen tip should be Friday seed source. Just copy and paste here. Copy and paste here. Do it okay. Click on the Friday and just okay. I have applied. I have applied. What applied? Hyperlink applied. See here. This is a Friday seed source. Next step is in here is in cell A6, insert a hyperlink to cell C20 in the Saturday worksheet and screen tip text Saturday seed sold. Saturday seed sold. In cell A6 and reference should be here C20. This is the Saturday worksheet and this is the hyperlink, and this is the reference should be C20. Sheet should be Saturday and screen tip should be Saturday seed sold. Copy, just copy the Saturday seed solds and paste here. Just click on the Saturday and OK. I have applied on this. See here, Saturday seed solds. Now move toward the the next instruction steps. In cell A7, insert a hyperlink in C20 in Sunday worksheet with the screen tip text should be Sunday seeds sold. Sunday seeds sold in A cell, and reference should be C20 and screen tip should be Sunday seeds sold. This is the Sunday sheet. This is the hyperlink. and reference should be C20. Sheet should be Sunday, and screen tips. Copy the screen tips, and screen tips is Sunday seed salt. This is the tips. Just paste here. Do it okay. Sunday okay, and okay. I have applied. So sorry. I have applied Sunday seed salts. Okay. Test a hyperlink to ensure the work correctly. See here, students. This is working correctly. This is working correctly. This is also working correctly. Now I have completed 6 steps so far. Now I move toward the step number 7. Bold it, increase its size, and make it yellow. In the step number 7, instruction says in cell B5, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell C20 in the Friday worksheet. Respected student, we have to use the reference formula. Mean we have to put the C20 value in the Friday worksheet in the cell C20. These values should be placed in the cell B5. This is the meaning of this instruction. In another word, we have to place C20 values in B5. Okay. This is the B5. Put here equal and move toward the Friday worksheet. And where is this is the C column and this is the C20. Click here. Just enter and see here, this is the value of C20 of Friday worksheet. Okay. This is the 3D reference. This is the 3D reference. Now I move toward the point number 8. Bold it, increase its size, make it yellow. Respected student, in cell B6, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell C20 in the Saturday worksheet. Step is same, just cell is changed. Mean in the point number 7, we have placed the value in the B5. Now we have to place the value in B6, and value should be from the C20 of the Saturday worksheet. Okay. This is the B6. Put here equal. Move toward the Saturday worksheet, and this is the C20. Just enter and see here. This is the C20 value of Saturday worksheet. Step number 8 so far completed. Now I do the step number 9. Increase size, make it yellow. Respected dears, in cell B7, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell C20 in the Sunday worksheet. Just a sheet changed and cell changed. Now I put the value in B7 from the Sunday worksheet C20. Cell C20 should be placed in the B7. Okay. This is the B7. Just equal and move toward the Sunday sheet, and this is the C20, and just enter. So far I completed 9 steps. Now I move toward the point number 10. Bold, increase size, make it yellow, and I read what the step 10 says. Step says 10 says that in cell B11, insert the sum function with a 3D reference to the calculate total or orchestra of front gross revenue cell G9 for Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Okay, we have to do and use the sum function for Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet, and using the cell revenue G9, using the cell revenue G9. Okay, move toward the Excel sheet, and this is the B11. Put just here equal, use the sum function, double click here and move toward the Friday sheet, and instruction says that we have to use the sum function from Friday to Sunday. So put here, click here on Sunday, and after the Sunday, instruction says that there should be a G9. Once again I see here cell G9, and I just click on the, this is the G and this is the G9, click here and close the bracket. Just enter. Okay, I see this is the value that we have to sum from Friday to Sunday, and G9 should be the revenue, gross revenue. Okay, this is the step number 10. Now I move toward the step number 11. Bolt it, increase size and make it yellow. Yellow for only the student easily see what is written here and understand easily. In point number 11, now in the step number 11, in cell B12, insert the sum function with 3D reference to calculate the total orchestra back cross revenue cell G14 for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Here we have just to change revenue G14 instead of G9. In the next first step, before this step mean 10 number instruction, we have to use G9 cell. Now I have to use G14 step, and I have to use the sum function for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, in the cell B12. This is the B12. Put here equal sum, double click here, and Friday, sum should be from Friday to Sunday. Now click on the Sunday and click on the G14. G14, just close the bracket and enter it. This is the step number 11. Now I move toward the step number 12 of this assignment. Bolt it and increase the size, make it yellow. Respective student, in cell B13, insert the sum function with 3D reference to calculate total balcony gross revenue cell G19 for the Friday, Saturday and Sunday worksheet. Here just we have to change a revenue, that is G19. In the B13, this is the B13, just okay, equal and put here sum, double click Friday and Friday to Sunday, and this is G19. This is G19, and just close it. Just close the bracket, sorry, one bracket here, and enter it. This is the result of the step number 12. Next step and last step I do for you my students, and this step is this: on the total worksheet, check for error and correct the formula with circular reference. We have to check the error. Maybe error should be present here. For this, we have go to the review and check the spelling. Double click, and once again OK. I see here no error present here. If any error there, that should be resolved. Respected student, this assignment contain total of 22 step, and I have completed 13 step of this assignment. If any student, any new student need the complete solution and need help in the weekly tests, quizzes, exam of Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and accounting, mathematics, you can contact with me. This is my WhatsApp number mentioned here, and then also on the bottom of the video. This is my email address. You can contact easily and freely.